Okay, hey guys, right now I am on my way to get my nails done because when you're in Trinidad you cannot not get your nails done at this place. Let's go. Okay guys, so I am no vlogger. I'm walking to get a car. I think there is it's not a tropical wave or tropical storm warning, but there was some notice put out about some potential flash flooding. Thankfully it hasn't rained a whole lot, so I'm still able to go with it. Okay, so I am in a car finally to my destination. I'll show you guys outside just now. It's going to rain, but I have my umbrella with me, and luckily I'm going to get a ride back home. Okay, every time I show you guys the weather on my camera it looks bright, but from my vantage point it looks quite gloomy and overcast. And we're expecting rain, so we're at my destination. This is my friend Camila who will be doing my nails. I've told you a lot about her so far. Yes.
We just finished eating.
Oh, and if you like a head wrap, you know, let me know so I can let you know where you can get the stuff from. Yes.
Shaz, this is a blooper, right? Do over again.
No, I don't do no one nowhere.
No, Shaz. Shaz, I wasn't ready, boy. Shaz, this is not even looking good for this.
Guys, she has a different business because this is my whole entrepreneur slash social worker slash nail tech friend slash hype woman, hype squad friend, and she has a head wrap business that she just launched, and the name is Wrap Centric, guys. So check it out, check it out. Hopefully you'll be seeing me rocking some of these soon.
I realize that, right? It's probably a self-defense, self-protection mechanism for having you stranded by the airport for an hour.
Yes, people, Camila had me stranded at the airport. I was waiting for her.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
But luckily for Camila, my flight came in late. And then I was stuck in a whole long line.
And you know, you didn't tell me that.
Yes, I done right because
you make me burn. They make me burn for 3 weeks. How much weeks you here for already?
About 3.
You make me burn for 3 weeks. Battling in my mind, making you feel like, oh gosh,
you deserve it. You deserve it.
When it called me, and I Omera, like, and I said, Jesus, who's this? And I said, phone, hello, Camila.
So I was so smart. I know my friend so well. I called Bianca right away and I said, Bianca, Camila is not here yet. So come and get me.
And one time at 4:20 I was in a box. I'm like,
shame on you now. You need to stop it always.
I remember because I was in Maxi and we were passing Mount Hope and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's 4:20. I have to meet Shadow
for 4:30.
I'm sorry. It wasn't deliberate. It wasn't intentional.
I don't think it's ever deliberate.
No, you were late. So what time
right.
you came out? What time you came out?
What time did I call you? After 5 events?
It was minutes to 6. Because I was telling myself
exactly. You see, guys, she was supposed to meet me for 4:30, and that would have meant I was outside already. Minutes to 6, she had not gotten there yet.
Because I pray, I say, Lord, here's what, right? Let Shadel be kept back in her line. Let the plane be late. Let something happen to that. When I reach, my friend wouldn't be waiting too long.
So I came out 20 to 5 and I was there waiting and I was like, oh gosh, no, Camila is not, I know Camila so well, Camila is not going to be here. Let me call my good friend Bianca because she said she would reach up the road for about 5.
A shame.
You don't know a shame. If you were ashamed, you'd stop it.
Listen, I tried. Oh gosh, I tried.
So guys, I will show you my nails when I'm done. I'm so excited. Yes. So this is the before, and then I'll show you guys. Let me show you guys her nails. Come and put your nails down.
My cuticles crusty though.
Oh Lord, Father.
They're crusty.
So you see, this is beautiful. I love it. I love it.
Give everybody heads up. I had to put some cuticle oil up. Because I know Miguel has done nails for a while. 1, and you tend to always be in black and white. 2, so. I don't encourage black and white thing, but I know to be professional, put some chrome, keep it modern, white chrome on white nails. I am thinking either gel polish white.
What's chrome?
What's chrome? The best thing I can explain, chrome is a powder. Let me show you what it looks like, right? Chrome is a powder. Oh gosh, my apron dusty.
Who's seeing your dusty apron? I was not even looking at your apron. This is an apron, guys.
So, chrome is a powder, and it is applied on the nails on a gel top coat. And you use a makeup applicator basically to rub it in. Makeup applicators that look like this to rub it on the nail. It looks.
What does it do?
It's just a form of nail art, so it looks like a mirror,
Oh,
effect.
okay. I think I know what. Yeah. I think I know what.
So, girlfriend gonna get some white nails with some white chrome, short, cute, sophisticated, but modern.
Okay.
Step her nail game up.
So I'm done doing my nails. I will show you a better view of it, but this is what it looks like. I love them. They're white and chrome. Love them. Yes, but I had to run out of the salon because my ride was here, which is my friend, and this is her daughter. Say hi, Bri Bri. Say hi. You're not saying hi, Bri Bri? No? Not yet? Not yet. Okay, not yet. Fine. So guys, I have a question. What makes you feel your bougiest? I saw Lisa, I can't remember her name, but on Instagram I follow this Haitian girl called Lisa, and she asked about what makes you feel bougie. So for me, getting my nails done and having a twist out, having my hair out, then having my sunglasses on, these things make me feel super bougie. So I'm going to put probably some Mali twist in my hair so that I can feel my bougiest with my nails done. Yes, so I'll check you when I get to the restaurant.
He was fired, yes, was fired.
But that's not a good thing.
For soliciting a prostitute. Not soliciting
oh, I remember him,
Remember him, right? Come, tip your tip, yeah. Oh, well, let me see if you're going.
Guys, let me show you that girl that's doing all that drama.
Come now, tip. I tell you, tip the man, you're tipping the man.
Just want the man to break my camera and break it.
Well, girl, if we do that, we're rich. If we do that, we're rich.
No, that's if a police come and arrest me and say tipping the man without permission.
We're rich. No, we tipping him. We tipping the restaurant. We tipping everything else but you. My daughter.
Yes, guys. So this is the crust that I am around all the time. I put in all that.
So one of my friends today now. Yes, when Brea was smaller, and I'm balling behind Brea and I beat him. You this beat? And she just have this excited. But let me see you talking, Brea. Don't show me. Yeah. I say alright talking, Brea. So what it is I see she did it. I say I know it was coming. Terrible Tuesdays make you do a lot of things that you never thought you would do, and this is one of them. You're quite a ass.
You pay my bill every Tuesdays, eh?
Who?
You put me in that. I never have money.
You could have said no. All you could say no. Say no. Say no, Mama, and say no.
I never told you no. I had money.
Say no now. I'm glad you tell me no. Say no now. My arm is shaved and I can tell Auntie Sharon, well,
good thing I eat my little bread there because I'll just go and have a drink and a glass of water.
And I might be right behind you. You know that I offer you sparkling, I want no sparkling water. Flat is fine. The flatter the better. If you had it still, that could be good. If it's still, that could be better. If you had it on that cupboard somewhere, that's fine. The less you can charge me, the better. Yeah, it's only I broke and not living my best life, you know, have to catch on.
Yes guys, so that's my friend Bianca, crazy like hell. Yes, baby Joy.
I love my mommy.
You love your mommy?
Yeah.
Do you love Auntie Chanel?
Yeah.
So you're going to give Auntie Chanel kisses and hugs?
I go eat food.
You go eat food, but before you eat food, you're going to give Auntie a kiss and a hug? Okay. Okay guys, no, that's what picture that's a video. So we are at Ruby Tuesday. So yeah, it's Bianca's auntie's birthday and we're here to celebrate with her and Bianca's birthday. So I'm putting that right there so everybody can see how vain you are.
I'm single.
I hope your man watching my video and I'll send it to you personally.
So my criteria is young, white, and rich.
No, for real, really. Really.
Young, white, and rich.
A job application, I guess. So what bachelors do they need to have? Or do they need to have their master's degree?
They need to have their masters in rich. They need to pass. Mine is thank you. Darling.
You stop your always, you know.
Thank you. You're welcome.
This is the birthday lady.
I got it.
So this is a table that's been pulled out near us. And my fries were cold.
So you're seeing everybody or you just eat your chicken?
Yeah. Okay guys, so we are about to leave.
Why it's in error? What are you supposed to say? Drunk.
It's in error because you got chopped inside it for like 5 hours.
No, seriously.
We chopped inside
Okay,
it.
so we are about to leave. The service was, it wasn't great service, but it wasn't horrible. And the food wasn't horrible either. But my fries were cold and then we began sweeping in the middle. Like, no. This is the birthday lady. Okay, hey guys, good morning. I'm on my way to church. I'm visiting a new church. I don't know anybody there. But I need to find a church, a home church. I'm no longer in the area that I was in before when I lived in Trinidad. So yes, Bianca is dropping me. Praise God.
And I'm serving breakfast.
So I'm a little late because it's 8:17 and church starts at 8, but that's fine.
But I know, catch it. How are I coming back from? Where's the ghetto, you know?
Lord Father. That's a ghetto?
Yes, the ghetto.
That's not no ghetto. You ever see ghetto have house? So?
Yes, the ghetto. You see, protected by this insurance. Everybody protected by somebody. Because they're in the ghetto.